Hello. So I want to do an over the shoulder today so you guys see what's going on. Just a quick one because I tend to go on tangents. People who know me know. Okay, so basically what am I up to? Went to Laurel's event in Dallas, and on the 7th of September, she gave us, all the people who went to her Palooza, she gave us this. And you've probably seen this because she was giving it away about a week or two later. Commented below a YouTube video. Anyway, so if you wonder why you keep seeing me pop up in my feed, I'm using this right now to show you how it all works in real time. Okay. So I'm on day done all this, yeah, all these. And right now I'm on this part to see how it goes just as a newer business, because I've got my newer page, which is seeing some video ads. I was just thinking maybe I should tell you that I used to no, he didn't want to. Oh, okay, I see why. It's because I was going to show you something else. And I used to work with estate agents in the UK because I had a lot of properties and been investing for many years, since 2006, in fact. And I was selling a load of them because, because of personal reasons. Anyway, point was, I posted up yesterday. So this is quite a new page in comparison because I stopped working with UK estate agents and started helping people with their video ads. So why am I showing you what I'm up to? Well, just to show you that I also use my personal page to show people what we're up to. Okay, so I make sure that people know, no matter whether on this page or the other page, whenever they go to find Tina Sandford, they can see what we do. Now, yesterday I had been talking, I talk to a lot of people all the time, and somebody was like interested in where I came from. So it kind of caught my attention. I thought, you know what? Most people don't know where I come from or my background. So it is good for people to know where you come from, not to shove in their face all the time. So I did this little bit of a written post. It was about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I kind of quickly wrote that. Thought, what's relevant? It's actually hard because obviously when you're 54, your life story gets big. Okay. So I was like, what is important for people to know? And I went, I don't care. I'm just going to write anything. So I did. And this is what actually happened. This is my life. It's just little bits of my life that I thought might be interesting. I have a picture of home. This is actually where I grew up, this house here. I was there till I went to college at 16 because you have to go to mainland. Anyway, point is, this is my playground. It was an ancient village. I lived on the Isles of Scilly. It's made me small. Amazing place to live, amazing place to grow up. Pretty isolated as well, but I think that's really good. And it was a good post, and that's the point of this. So this is on my personal page, and now I'm going to take advantage of the fact that a lot of people commented, and it was a good post because people obviously responded. So I'm going to boost it. So this is my over shoulder for today by using Laura's sheet. So what do I do to get my post from my personal page where people are commenting on it to my warm audience for my business page? My business page is this one. Okay, so I want people who are following and see my ads from my business to see that other people are responding to other things that I post, so they get to know me. Okay, so all I do is now is I go to this one here. I make sure that I'm signed in on Tina Sandford. That's really important. So Facebook's going to be confused because I'm going from 2 pages. Sorry about that, guys. And you can see down here, I've got a boost post button. So I'm going to press boost post. Want this to go to my warm audience that I've been building with my power content ads. So this is what we're going to do. So watch everything. Because it's a static post, it's not a video, we're going to go for get more engagement. If it was a video, we'd go for more views, okay? We don't care about any of this. We don't care about this. We want to turn it off. We want to turn this off, okay? Because we want to actually be in control. We do not want a button on this. This is goodwill. It's not special ad category. And I actually have an audience because I'm going to be doing live events in Europe. I'm going to start focusing more on Europe. So if you know about that already, I asked Laurel when I was in Dallas, can I do these this live and teach people this? Because this is an amazing system you got here. So now I want to make sure I choose the right audience. And we've done a lot of testing over the years. So I've got to go find the right audience. So right now, our best audience we put together It's one we've called fixed because we change it and change it and change it and change it and change it because we're always testing. We've been doing this since 2019. Okay, guys, can you believe that? Love this though. So you can see in here, I've got people who've done Facebook engagement for the last 365 days because that'll be measured. And personal Facebook account, engage with post, ads. So all these are in here. If you want me to help you with building the right type of audience for you, please do get in touch. It's easy to do, just to be able to recognise. I'm obviously targeting European Union, so got to tell them special information. You wouldn't have to do this if you're in the USA or Australia, in fact. We don't want any of this Advantage Plus stuff, so we turn that off. We don't find that that's actually very helpful at the moment for us. It might be different for you. And right now, because I'm following this, Laurel suggests you put it on at 10, between 5, where is it? 5 and 10 per day for 3 days. So you can either put it on $15 up to $30 or pounds if you like, or euros, whatever you like. So previously I had been doing usually £3 or £4 per day, sometimes 3 days, sometimes 4 days, just try different things. Today I'm following Laurel's strategy, so I'm going to do £5 because I've got a lot of other content going out, and I'm going to make sure it's over 3 days. I ignore what they say because I know that it's not true for me. And I've measured all this for myself. Always good to measure for yourself. Now, Advantage Plus. We don't want that for ourselves because it goes in lots of different places. Like if you're doing e-commerce, it could be useful. But because we are gathering views from a very specific audience who we've already built, we want to be in control of where we now retarget. Otherwise, it just goes everywhere. Okay, and we don't want that. We want it to go in front of people in their feeds. We're going to check down here. We want it to go to Facebook and Instagram. If it had Messenger on here, we would take that off and then put it on the one that hasn't been ticked. That is very important, the manual placements for us. So that's going to go in people's feeds. You probably see us, yeah? And then that's it. So I'm just going to double check. And this is very, very specific. It's going to go to the people who I've already chosen to see it. So it's very, very powerful. And then all I'll do is press publish. And that's it. And looks like Floof wants to be part of the video. Okay, nope, she's going to go to the other side. Okay, and that is the end. Now, if you need any help with this kind of thing, at any point, like you want to set up Laurel's ecosystem or get stuck with audience building or making sure that you get all your video views from your power content, because you've got to either set that right the first place or you have to go and gather them and put them into your audience. If you ever feel like you're stuck with that, please give us a shout, because it's such a waste of your time and energy if you're not doing this right. This stuff works, okay? It is so powerful. And if you're seeing me pop up in your feed, that means you're in my warm audience. And you could do the same thing for yourself, but in your own way. You can see that I don't worry about my appearance. I'm just showing what I do because I do this for fun. Yeah, I do this to help people who get stuck. I do this for people who actually want to change their lifestyle as well. Like sometimes people, like they go, how did you retire before you're 40? How do you get to do what you like all the time? And it's actually easy once you know where you want to go. Okay, so if you want any help with any of that, or you just want to ask me questions about how did I get to where I am right now, really love helping people. Okay, so don't be afraid to reach out to me. Facebook Messenger, you can go to my website. It's got loads of different ways of contacting me on here. I've made it easy. Yeah. Let me just take off the power. I think so you don't need that. But if you go to tinasandford.com, I'm going to change this page. We were trying to help people with funnels, but I don't think that helps everybody to think that. But you could just get me on Facebook. You can get me. You could just book a 10-minute call with me if you want a quick chat. Yeah. If you go to our contact, I've even got a WhatsApp. Actually, I'm on WhatsApp more than Facebook, to be honest. So if you want to get me straight away, just message me on WhatsApp. Just say, hey, it's me. Got time for a quick chatter on here? And I'll say, yeah, of course. You can email me as well. I don't look on my emails every day. Okay, can you be honest? And if you call me, if I'm at my computer, it comes straight through to my computer. And if I'm not, you're not disturbing me because I won't hear it. How's that? Oh, you can got like a little thing jig down here as well, put in. How's that? All right. Cheerio for now. Have fun.